Hello.
Welcome back to the channel.
So we crossed back over from Baja yesterday.
And got a flat tire.
Got a flat tire. We'll show you that.
Can't do a U-turn here either. Today, within the first couple miles, we got a welcome to America nail in the tire. It's leaking. So, and that was one of our good ones. I'm gonna try and plug it up real quick and hope for the best, because I really don't want to change it out.
Yeah. Also, it's like 95 degrees
98
outside.
plus. We reamed it with the sharp tool. We now have the plug halfway, 2/3 of the way in, and I'm supposed to pull out with a fast motion. Hee-hee!
Good as new, we hope. We are now in California trying to rest, but more so doing a bunch of adulting and rehabbing the van. So, chores, we have oil change, air filter change, motorcycle oil change, tire rotation. I did all the laundry yesterday, and then we have some online stuff to do, like working and bookkeeping stuff. So we'll probably be here for a couple days before we hit the road. We'll show you what this is like.
Yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Now we are going to get fish tacos. Best fish tacos.
In Oceanside or all ever?
Definitely Oceanside.
They even say it's the best fish tacos on their sign. We were debating in there if it was the best fish taco ever again. I think I decided it is.
My mouth's a little on fire because I went for the hot sauce, but I agree. But $2.50 and they're massive.
Yeah, that's not a bad deal.
And
I was also saying that I think she's got the layering down because she puts the cabbage on the bottom, then the fish, then the salsa, which prevents blowouts, and it's like the perfect mixture of fixing.
yeah, so we digress. We are back to
Back to adulting.
figuring life out.
Next chore, oil change. Okay, while we're waiting for the oil to continue draining, we are going to do the air filters. Can you guess which one is old versus new? Okay, so that was the cabin air filter. Much easier to do than the engine air filter, which is located right down here, but it's connected to this giant pipe.
Intake.
And it's pretty difficult to get hands back in there. A lot of dirt roads and clean. We're back and still organizing. So we got tires rotated this morning. And now we are ready to actually try to load the van. So we started this yesterday, but we're gonna have to rearrange some bins, put the ones that we don't use that often on the bottom, see what fits, and go from there. How we do with our packing?
We have pretty much everything in. But there is extra stuff we're gonna go get rid of at storage. That stuff, but we got a couple more things in here, like this box is going to storage. And maybe a skateboard. But we have everything we actually want in here, which I didn't think was gonna fit. So we made it. We got the bed back down to the lowest height possible. Surfboard actually fits perfectly with the clearance, barely. So yeah, I think we're kind of styling.
So the van is mostly packed. We just have to put the Moto Tote rack on and the motorcycle today. We are planning on leaving tomorrow and heading out of California. So what are we up to right now?
We're hitting our last favorite spots. We've been eating out a lot, so we are going to get some Leucadia donuts from the Leucadia Donut Shop, and then we are going to maybe eat a burrito after that, because I haven't been to Juanita's in a long time.
We are at Juanita's now, and this is one of our favorite places to get a California burrito. Do you want to tell them what's in a California burrito?
Carne asada, French fries, sour cream, guac, cheese,
Sometimes
pico de
depends
gallo,
on the
sometimes
place.
not sour cream, sometimes not guac. I like them with everything. This one doesn't have pico,
Right.
but it's good.
Alright, so we are done running errands. We now have the surfboards all mounted to the van. And
Calculations, I think we'll be okay.
getting the Moto Tote on. So if you guys joined our channel in Baja, you did not see that we have a motorcycle. But we carry a Yamaha TW200 with us on this awesome Moto Tote rack that we love.
Get yourself a discount.
Yep.
Link below.
Alright, we are all packed up and ready to leave California. So we showed you guys what we do when we try to rehab the van. We got some donuts from the shop yesterday to send us off. And there's this really cool fig tree that we're
We
parked
forgot
by.
to eat them at the house. We made
So,
it 4 minutes.
thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe, see where we're headed next. And if you shop on Amazon, shop through our links. We actually get a small commission on anything you buy, not just the stuff that we share. Thanks.